Let's try this again. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to another session of WBE TV. Let's take a look at what we have for news today, 18th December 2025. So today we have at 8:30 major impact for CPI and unemployment claims. When I say core CPI, I mean actually core CPI and CPI, as well as unemployment claims. We also have the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. As always, reduce the time between planting that seed, and harvesting. Poverty loves procrastinating. And now let's take a look at our levels. Our bull target for today is 25,181, PDH 25,508, PDO 25,332, PDC 24,898, PDL 25,887. Our bear target is 24,977, and our pivot is 25,053. So now let's head over to the charts. We have about 5 minutes to news. Let's see what the market has to offer us today. Happy trading, everyone. I'll be right back, guys.
Let's go. Good morning. How we doing? You guys hear me?
Okay, good morning.
Everybody set up and get their stuff running.
Mine is not fully up and running.
Okay.
Yeah, not yet. It's almost there though.
Let's see what Price is trying to do here. Anybody catch that buy? System should have
Yeah.
got that buy from the bottom.
Yep, it did.
Yeah, and it should be, if you're using no trail, you should be up pretty good.
Just give me my money.
You should just be trailing this. If you're not done for the day, you should just quote unquote be trailing.
Morning, guys. Morning.
Good
Morning.
And if you had some targets set, those targets would have been smashed already. So pretty good.
I need some troubleshooting.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you load the new, or are you still on the old?
No, put the new one on.
The new one on.
It's,
We got time. I think we can walk through it. It's 8:30. We got about an hour before market opens officially.
What it's saying is, it's saying like it's
We're
Go ahead.
we're on the stream.
That's
Okay.
okay. I think that's fine. That's right.
Okay.
Basically, it's just not taking it. It'll say order filled, order submitted. So it's almost like it's just not being executed.
Do you want to share your screen? I can take a look.
Yeah.
We should be able to do that, right? With Okay. Yeah. Go ahead and share your screen. We can take a look.
Okay. I got about 10 minutes before I got to take this little one to school.
That's
Come back.
cool. Should be plenty of time. What a move.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I was like, wow.
Yeah, to all that choke.
Before breakfast.
One and done. One and done.
So I went to
Let me see. Are you sharing?
yeah.
Let's take a look. Okay.
So what'll happen is it'll sit like a arrow print. It'll say submitted, and then one of my followers was, I guess, it's indicating that it has ghost trades, but nothing is being triggered. So
Let's see real quick. I this out. Okay, there we go. Okay. So interesting. All right, go ahead and turn off AI for a second.
just exit it.
Yeah, well, hold on before you turn off AI. So
Oh, okay.
on the on the chat where you have it turned on, right? How many chats you got open? 2?
Just two right here. Just two
Okay.
right now.
What's running on the other one?
This one is 3C, one is 7C.
Gotcha. All right, cool. So right click either one,
This one
and yeah, go to strategies.
is
All right, now let's take a look. Uncheck, disable it so I can see. All right, so what account is this one pointing to?
this one is going to where's that?
And it's right there, Sim101.
Yeah,
What I would do is I would create another account. So don't send anything to Sim101. I'd create another account like Sim something, and I'll point it to that account.
Alright, so I tried 7C Master, so I'm gonna try that one.
Okay.
Enable it. And then I think these are the new tabs, so I just check those two off. And then apply.
Hold on. Let's see. No, go back. Strategy, and then let's see what you got going on here. So the only two things that are different, you've got that. So scroll up. Okay, so you checked those two. Duplicate 5, filter, BOS. Okay, cool. And then the time 7. Yeah, so it should be good. Then hit apply. That's the right template. You've got a template, right?
Yes, that's the right one.
Okay. All right, cool. So go ahead, apply that.
Okay.
Enable it, and then apply. And then right click the indicators. Let's take a look at the indicator. Yeah, so you don't have the indicator. So apply the indicator manually to this chart. It shouldn't matter. It should pick it up. But just go ahead and apply it. Yep, apply, hit OK. All right, so what you probably should do is maybe download some data and rerun this through a backtest mode so we kind of see what it's doing.
Okay. So
So we're gonna have to disconnect.
yeah.
All right, market is just pushing. Let's see where we go from here. So I think we're going for the 6-2 right at 266. If we can close above 196.
Active orders. Active orders.
Yeah, that's fine. Playbook.
Today, what day you wanna?
Today, just do today's data.
Okay. So,
Good.
Yo,
You finish. I was going to ask how closely will you be trailing this?
how close do you what?
Will you be trailing this?
You do what you want to do. I don't trail. I got no reason to trail it. It's deep in profits, so just enjoy the profits.
It's going. It's
Yeah.
just going.
271 is where we're going next. That's the next target.
You guys check the chat. It's a thing of beauty.
Yeah, so if you turned it on, you should be deep in profit. You should be loving this.
I sent you a DM ghost.
I'll take a look at it in a minute. All right, 30 points to target. Points to target. All right, let's close out. And turn that beat up. Turn that heat up, man. This is one and done, right? This should be the only trade we take today. You shouldn't need any other trades after this.
I got to my kid to school. I'll be right back.
Hey, no worries, man.
All right.
So we should be about 590, 560 on that trade.
Yeah.
You say you sent me a DM?
Yep.
Yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay.
So 2 of my no trails have hit their target.
Yeah. We don't play around here.
The thing of beauty.
Don't
Are we about
the
to smash,
finger.
for the manual trades, we're about to smash TP 606.
Ish. You don't make money today, you don't know what you want. You don't make money around here. Again, I keep saying this, right? If you lose around here, you got big problems that I can't fix.
Yeah.
I'm up over 1,000 ticks from this morning, and this is just the system trading, right? So today should be a nice $20,000 day. Nice and easy, no finger lifted.
Oh gosh.
But this is where we also put in the time and the work, right?
Yeah.
Takes a lot to get here, but we're here.
Yes, it do.
It's not easy, but we're doing it. One of those days, you know. So Terminator has been in this trade since 24,960. So when you ask how close should you be trailing it, I don't know. G Pro is in this trade since 960 and it's just holding. And it's just gonna keep holding that trade. And it's up almost 1,000 ticks on that trade. And it has not flinched one bit. So when you say how close should I be trailing, I don't know. Follow the plan. And it's what's going to be really nice about G Pro is you can run G Pro without, you can technically run G Pro without an ATM. You're just gonna manage your own stops and everything, right? So you could technically, right, if you're fearless, you could definitely run it without any of that stuff, and it would handle everything on its own. Right. So if you're looking for a place to trail, I'll probably have a stop about maybe 197, 195-ish. If you're just looking for a place to trail, that's what I would recommend. 195, 197, because that's the last level we broke, which was previous day's high area. So you can move your stops there. Let me look at pivot points real quick, kind of see where we're at in relation to that. Yeah, so hourly pivots have been surpassed, right? So you've hit all your targets there. Let's see what the daily pivots look like. Yeah, daily pivots, you're at the possible bull breakout.
Okay.
That's where you are right now. So yeah, but I'd move stops below that last candle, 2 candles down, because there's a fair value gap there. Price may come back to fill that and continue. But yeah, kind of up to you. Right. Yeah, under this way in a bear gap as well. On the 5-minute time frame bear gap. So actually, you probably want to put your stop below the bear gap, which is 210. But Option goes to our target 271 incoming.
Yep.
Right now it's 257. Yeah, so she should be about 660 ticks in profit.
Yep. Manual trading 600 ticks smashed. Hey, Jitendra.
One of those days we're not playing. So this could go actually to 25 300, 338, 360s, 378. If you go that high, we're going to the next level, which would be 371, is where the next gap is on a 5-minute. So there's room to play. I would say let it ride. Let it rip. Let it rip. There's no reason to cut your profits short, because I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, right?
Most of mine have been off though, because they hit the target I set for them and they're done.
Yeah, but I mean, 600 ticks in profit after a little bit of chop at the open, you should be done for the day. Don't be too greedy, right? You didn't have to lift a finger to get those trades, right? So take what you get and move on. You didn't have to do anything.
You didn't have to do anything before market open.
And that's before the market opened, right? So don't play yourself. I don't even want to share my P&L. I probably won't. We just smoking it everywhere. Nice and easy. So tell me, why you need to trade market open? After this, you go to bed. You know?
Absolutely.
There's another reminder too, like, don't let one bad day phase you, right? Because we're always gonna make it back. So don't let one bad day make you feel like, ooh, can't make it, it's not working. It's always gonna work out. It always does. I think I've had enough of all this testing, and
I was about to ask you. You didn't sleep today. Yesterday night,
no,
right?
I did.
You did not sleep?
I went to bed about about 8 o'clock.
Okay.
A bit about 8 o'clock.
Okay, you got up early.
It's about 2 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, gotcha.
That's when I got the bug fix, and I was like, okay, shit, we gotta apply that. It's like I live by my email, man, for the last 3 weeks, But it's definitely time to detach, and let things be.
So I'm gonna have you go to bed early today, okay? No need to meet with me later.
No, no. I mean, no. We could definitely meet. I'm gonna probably drop off around 11 at the latest, and I'll go, catch some Z, get some sleep, and I'll be back. I'll be back in time, 4 o'clock. So this is what this looks like. These are some of my running trades right now. You don't make decent gains with this system. I don't know. You don't know what you want. Yeah, it pays, to put in the work, suffer the pain now, and reap the reward later. Those are only 3 minis. So the last 3 accounts are running 3 minis at 1,000 ticks. It has not stopped out. And I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'll let it stop me out when it's ready to stop out. Because this could keep going. Don't have to choke, Greg. It's just profits. It's just profits, man.
So they're showing off.
Say what now?
Yeah, so they're showing off.
It doesn't what?
Over there showing off with your 17 grand.
No,
Times
no.
3. Oh my God. How many contracts was that?
Just 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay.
That's it. Yeah, just 3 minutes. That's all. There's a lot of safeguards baked into these systems that there's absolutely no reason why one wouldn't just, sign it on and let it do its thing.
Yeah, Greg and I were doing some testing last night with 1 micro. 1.
Yeah, even if you do 1 micro no trail, right? If you did 1 micro no trail and you just let it go, right? Let it do its thing, you still
We
end
were
up.
trailing. We were actually trailing and we made money.
How high, how low are you trailing?
Greg, remind me, please. I don't remember. But we were
I
trailing.
basically modified the ATM that you gave us and made it to trail 75 when it gets to 100 ticks. Trail 75 behind. And she was able to make almost $200 with a 1 micro.
Before 11 o'clock.
Yeah, you definitely do it. This is what I was telling you the other day, right? Once the system is out, just put those nodes that are struggling on the system with 1, 2 micros, 3 micros most, and let it do its thing.
Goodness.
Now I can go troll on Tradify TV. How they doing this morning?
I haven't been over there today to be nosy.
Amy. Time to do some trolling.
We're talking about those people on our live. Oh my God, that's not good.
You said what?
We're over here talking about them people on our live.
Oh, why not? Don't see anything wrong with it. I don't care. Should I care?
Not at all.
Okay.
Angela,
Yes. Yes, sir.
my bad. Is it okay for me to share and show you what you missed?
What you talking about? What she missed?
Hold on,
Show
Gregory.
flipping?
Hold on. I have to take this call.
Alright, let me just check all my accounts, make sure they're all done. I'm probably gonna take profit here. That rejection, this candle. If we break 210, I'm gonna take profit on about. I'll take profit on probably pretty much all the accounts. Maybe I'll leave like 2 running. If we break below 210. I told you by the end of 2026, some of you are gonna be millionaires.
Indeed. Amen to that.
The sleepless nights gotta mean something, right?
Yep.
Alright, I'm closing out most of the accounts here. Need to get back to making some music. enough of this trading madness. I need to go back to sleeping and making music. Enough fun. Alright, so I'm only gonna leave 3 accounts running. Probably gonna trim a lot of these positions here. Yeah. Take off 2. Probably take off 2 minis and leave just 1. So let me do that right now. I'm just gonna leave 1 mini and let the market do what the market wants to do. It's gonna secure that bag. Looking in about 11,000. 15 on a few, 16 on a few, so we're good. Okay. Sandra, where are the vocals? I need those vocals for my next heat. Oh, she took a cola.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, my bad. Not bad.
We all did. We all did.
On them days. My apologies. I don't know why my ETF accounts are kind of messy. Sometimes they take the trade, sometimes they don't. It's like they block something on their end.
Mm.
But that's okay. What I'll probably start doing with them is I'll just channel them through Replicanto, since it's all local. Shouldn't be a problem. I'll channel them through their approved Replicanto version, because they kind of hit and miss. They be acting funny. Like today, it's like they were locked for like most of the morning. I couldn't put anything on. But it's all good. They'll get what's coming in due time. They'll get what's coming in due time. All right, where's price going? Price trying to fill this gap right now. We really haven't smoked our target yet. We kind of wicked it. 266. Final target is 272. That's what I'm looking for price to get to. But we need to get above this level here. We need to break out. We got a nice close above 240. So we just need to see price close above 240 one more time, and then make a push for 273, 272.
Have you seen another green?
Check the chat.
Okay.
It's about to go down.
All right, I'm back.
Hey, please.
Cold. You still shooting threes out there?
You know how it is.
He's done. One and done.
And then
Shit.
one and done.
All right, so I'm gonna share again. All right, let's figure this out. I have to figure this out. Actually, can you see my screen?
Yeah, see it now.
All right, so this is where we're at so far. Okay, so I downloaded the data.
So switch the account to playback.
This right. Where's that?
Up top.
Here it is. Count playback. Okay, cool. And anything else that I'm missing?
Nope, that should be it.
That should be it. Okay, so let's do this.
Oh, turn it on. Don't forget.
Don't forget. Yeah, that's right. Turn on. Okay, and then I'll see this. This is the playback. Okay.
So fast forward to to about
To-
what was that? I'll bring it down to 650, 630.
6:30.
Well, what time would you normally start trading?
Turn
So-
on about 7:30. Give it time to warm up. So at 8 o'clock it could be
All right, then set it to 7:30.
7:30. Cool.
Because all these settings you won't have to mess with, right? Once you set them up once, save the chat, should be good to go.
Okay. What's going on here? Oh, this is what I was talking about yesterday.
Yeah. Just right click and go back to 2 minutes. Go back to 2, and then right click in the price column.
Price column.
Yeah, right there. Go to properties and then set the also changes to range. Change the range to fixed. Is it fixed or automatic? Fixed, yeah, fixed on that one, and then the next one change it to automatic, and then just set this maximum to say about 25,600.
Oh, because of the price point. I get it. 25,600. They said 25,900. So let me be 26,600. You said
25,600.
25,600. All right. 25,600.
And then set your minimum to 24,800.
24,800.
That should be a decent range to work with. Then you hit apply.
All right. Okay. Let's try this again.
Go back to 2. Expand your chat a little. I think your chat's just too small. Like, yeah. Expand that. Hit the F at the top. In the top corner of price, hit the F button right there. No, where you have price, there's an F.
Oh, right here.
Up at the top, yeah, hit that. Are you able to scroll in the middle of this chat to bring it down a little?
Not really.
No.
Use control and the
Control what?
control and the cursor to pull it down.
There you go. Okay, now expand it.
Oh, how was it? Okay. That was strange. Okay, makes sense now. All right.
All right, so everything is set. Now go ahead and hit play and let's see what's going on.
Should I put it out, keep it like this, or put like a 10 or 20?
Crank it up to 100. All right, we're about to smash our target. 271 about to get hit. Did we hit already? We're almost at 68.
Almost.
And that will give us 670 ticks. All right, go ahead, play. Let's see what happens here.
We hit 68. We smashed 68. We got to 69. So we
No,
smashed
no,
68.
71.
Oh no, wrong date. Let's go wrong date today.
Target is 71, right? The 6-2 level is
Yeah, okay.
271. So we need to see 271 get smashed. Again, this is one and done kind of day, right? No need to go back
Yeah.
to the markets.
Okay. All right. So 7:30, 6:30.
Bring it down a little. Bring it down a little, because it's gonna go for chats. All right. Now you play. Hit pause real quick. What time does your strategy start taking trades? What time does?
Put it at 7:30.
7:30. All right,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, hit play. So they won't really put on anything until then. All right, target smash 271, and we are done with this trade. Right, so you can do whatever you want with it. Again, it has the potential to go up to 378, 333, 378, but you can do whatever you want with it. Okay. All right, let's see what happens here.
Order failed.
There goes your first trade.
Yeah, so on playback it was fine, but during the I don't know why. Maybe it didn't get enough time to warm up. But
What time did you turn it on?
7:30.
Oh, yeah, but see,
Order failed.
that's the thing, right? You can't turn on 7:30 and expect to take trades at 7:30.
Order
I don't
failed.
know, but even like at, let's say, if I turn on 7:30, right? You don't think the 8 o'clock, 8:12 move was enough time?
That's enough time. Those should have definitely been executed.
Right. So I was hearing the sound saying order submitted. The arrows were there, but it just wasn't being triggered onto AI or anything else.
So what? Were the trades getting executed on the main chat?
No. I never on the main chart.
That's strange. So what I would say is, Greg, do you have AI turned on?
No.
So what
Mine
I
is
would
not
say,
working. Mine is not working yet.
oh yeah, because his AI doesn't work. So what I would recommend is keep it running for the day, right? But turn off AI.
Okay. Like close out the window.
Just turn off AI to any of the accounts. Right? Just have AI off on any of the accounts. Just make sure that AI is not running on the accounts where you intend this to run. Don't have AI running. And then what you can do is you can set this up. So exit out of this mode, and I'll show you what you can do. Exit out of playback. So what you can do is pick an account.
Okay, I'll just take like 7C1.
Yeah, so pick an account, and then what you're gonna do is right click and set it up again on the account. And just let it run for the rest of the day.
Okay.
We'll be able to spot the opportunities as they get closer. We'll kind of know.
7C1. And make sure it's enabled. 3C no trail. Okay, looks good. And apply. Okay. All right. It's a massive gap.
So it is applied right now, right?
Yeah, it's applied. It's enabled.
Yeah, so it'll probably take a while before price comes back. The other thing you could do is change the bands from. Well,
55.
let me ping you. Man, it gets tricky troubleshooting on a live stream. Change them to that.
Sorry. Cool.
That way at least it will trigger something sooner.
Right.
That should at least follow closely and give you a reversal.
Okay. Let's see.
You can even go to, because we're just testing, right? You can go down to that.
Okay.
We just want to see something trigger. So I'd go down to that.
Of course. No problem. What am I doing now? You out of there, Greg?
Listen, you have
You
no
have
idea.
something?
Oh my gosh.
Greg's on Zillow.
Greg's like, I got up, I took my daughter to school, I didn't have to do shit, came back, I made a lot of money.
Well, let me sure I did this right.
Right, Greg?
Mm-hmm.
Hit apply. Yeah. So yeah, this will give us something sooner. So you could have multiple of these instances running on a single chat, right? With the risk manager we have, I mean, you might even be able to put AI out of business because it's built in, right? But we already paid for the dumb thing for the year, so for life anyway. So,
Yeah.
But we might be able to put AI out of business.
I'm okay with that.
What I'll probably do is I'll probably make a simple copy available as well. That way, you get a full-fledged system, right?
Yep.
You can handle your copy trading internally. You can handle risk management internally. You can handle everything. Then you don't have to worry about the nuances with all these other vendor tools, external tools that we have no control over.
Yep.
All right, market's pushing. If we close above 286, prices like go to 333, and then above 333, market will probably push into the gap at 378. These are 5-minute gaps that we're pushing into. Let's take a look at the 2-minute time frame real quick. Let's see, so we're in a 6-minute bear gap, which is also a 5-minute bear gap. We close above 283, we take that gap out, right? We're already above bull breakout, right? So we take 285 to 83-ish, we take that gap completely, we fill that gap completely, and then price has the potential to go into the next 6-minute gap, which would be at 333 would be the starting point, previous daily open, and then we could go all the way into 333, 360s, 378. 378 goes to 441, 442. If this is going to reverse to go bearish, it definitely needs to break below the bull breakout. So that'll take 240, close below 240, back into this gap, below the gap. So really, sales don't come in until 196. What a morning, a day.
Exactly.
Thursday, Santa Kemal. Alright, let's see where we are on the 2-minute. Yeah, 2-minute's still looking good. Yeah, this could easily push definitely keep pushing. So if you're still in this trade, I would move stops to just below 230, 230. So I'll put my stop loss. Nobody does it like we do.
Even close. Not
Not even close.
Nobody. Where does Scorpio Queen go?
She's writing her letter.
She ran a letter.
She went to the bathroom to write her letter.
She's taking too long. Did her system trigger anything?
I don't know. I don't think she got set up all the way, probably.
No, not all the way set up.
Not yet. Kobe is slacking over there.
I don't be talking about me. Chris, Gregory. I expect better from you too. Not Ghost.
We're trying to speak it into existence.
Trying to see what the Scorpio Queen is all about, right? Is she gonna put in that resignation and walk away, or is she gonna
That's
maintain
it.
it? Like,
No. It's coming. I told you. I wrote it already. It's 5 lines.
5 lines.
Mhm.
It goes like, it's been nice knowing you all. It's been nice being here. I'm out.
Yeah, more or less.
So I think she's gonna write one sentence for every profitable day, and then like, okay,
And then eventually she'll have something concrete.
exactly.
Alright, let's see what's happening here. So we're kind of double topping here at 271, 272. Most likely get a pullback down to 240s, and if we can't break the 240s, we bounce off that area and kind of push back up. If we break through the 240s, we'll look for price to come back into the gap down at 196. So that'll be about what? Gap fill would be 202, and then down 196. If not, bounce off 240 and continue, or break above 271 and continue the upside.
We're about 6 minutes away from market open. For those who are still trading.
Did you have to say that? For those who are still trading. Why you gotta be like that, Greg?
That's how they catch FOMO. Well, not really. Some didn't make it in on time.
Mr. Kobe, I gotta get used to this. I gotta get used to this. We should get a little avatars. We should get an avatar for Kobe, an avatar for Scorpio Queen, an avatar for Kool-Aid.
Mine is definitely not hard. Just give me the juice, man.
Should get some nice avatars. Alright, here we go again. 5 minutes to the open, pumping again.
I think she might just take off.
Yeah, prayer continuation. I love this pattern. If you look at, we bought up, consolidated prayer to 8 o'clock, right? Decent consolidation prayer to 8, and then we're just buying up nice and slow, and then we start pumping. Start pumping. So I'm thinking consolidate pump. It's gonna be kind of the order of the day. So just consolidate, tiny pullbacks pump, consolidate, tiny pullback pump. This is why I say if you miss the big move, this way you want to turn off most of your accounts, right? It's already done its big move. Okay? So you turn off most of your accounts and chill, right?
Yep.
Because ideally this thing runs about 1200 ticks, right? So you only got about 600 ticks to go on a move, right? But if it does pull back and starts to pull back lower into the gap at 25,133, chances of the market ranges for the rest of the day then. Ooh. 3 minutes. What's it gonna be? What will it be today? Days like this is where the hybrid system will come into play, right? Will come in handy. Like if you miss the move like this, right, where price just took off, hybrid system will get you back in because you just Ghost Pro to kind of catch those re-entries and the reversals.
Reversals, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm thinking hopefully, if we finalize testing for Ghost Pro, we'll probably release version 1. Release version 1, I don't know, maybe early next week.
It's not bad.
So you guys have a holiday to warm up with it. By the time we come back in 26, there should be no excuses, no reasons not to be eating. You should be done with all your back testing. You should just be good to go.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's my goal at least. So Monday, Tuesday-ish, I want to release that final version.
$30 seconds.
Here she goes. What's it gonna be? Let's see, I think we'll take a look at a 15-second chat here, see if we can catch an entry. See if I call one more thing today. Looking prime, but that could be a fake move. Needs to push a little higher. We're gonna take that high, and off she goes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Continuation, baby. Continuation, baby. 340 is incoming. Let's see if we get to the first target, 333. Beautiful.
PDO. The PDO
Yep.
area.
Let's go. Pump it. Pump it, baby. No games, no jokes. We don't play around here. 320s, 26, 27, 330 incoming, baby. Let's go.
Last one.
Holding?
Yeah, man. What you talking about? We're still in this one.
Hey.
We're still in this one. I closed out most positions except just a handful of accounts, but there she goes.
That was beautiful.
Beautiful open. Hope everybody ate.
Is that a rhetorical question?
I mean, I gotta ask, you know. I gotta ask. All right, let's see. Still got room. I'm gonna clear that target. We wicked it, which is good enough for me. That's good enough for me.
Let's go.
They call me Market Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. They call me Market Papi, Papi, Papi. Money, 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 money.
You know what it is.
It is what it is.
Another one.
All right, let's see what am I going to do here. If we want to get a pullback for a nice reversal or not. Okay, that's a good breakout for the open. So maybe I'll call one more. Should I call one more? Maybe I'll call one more. I don't know. Let's see. How's this thing trying to shape up? What's the VIX doing? Let's go take a look. Where'd that chat go? Uh-oh. Did I lose my VIX chat? What? Alright. I lost my VIX chat, but we're not gonna sweat it. Alright. We get pulled back here. Still not selling though. I'm not interested in selling yet.
Yeah, Vic looks like he wants to fill a bullish gap on the 5 minutes.
Bullish gap on a 5 minute. Okay, so here's the deal. If we take out the low of that last pump, if we close below 255, let's say 250. Right? Close below 250, you're gonna attempt to sell into 240. It's a 10-point move, nothing big, nothing crazy. Okay, but it has to close below 250. Now, if it just runs through 270 and just goes down, you get no trade. Sorry. Sorry, but 240s could go down into 208. But I'm gonna wait for 250 to break. It has to break 250. Otherwise, that whole area is still filled. Bulls, bears don't have any control. Now I feel like I'm trading blind. I don't have my VIX chart. Where did VIX go?
Yeah.
Not cool. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, so it looks like VIX is coming down, trying to come down to 16s. But that's a little bit scary. NAS and VIX move in the same direction. Okay. That comes to 350s. Let's get below 350 to get a move down to 208. 240s and 208. But it has to close below 250. You can't take a sell unless we take out 250. Else you get clapped. It's a strong uptrend. Structure is still bullish. We do have a little bit of bearish divergence, but no confirmation. So what we need to see is price close below 250 and confirm a move to the downside. Back into that demand level. There she goes. Down to 240.
Order filled.
Okay,
There you go.
let's see what happens.
All right, so test scenario looks good.
I wonder what it was.
I wish I could tell you, man.
Yeah.
Struggling there.
Yeah.
So do they stay below 250 to go down to 208? Do they bounce back, get back above 250 to try and pump again? Candle close in about 10 seconds. See if it closes below 250. And there she goes. Or she closed below 250 in 10, 5. Yeah, she's fighting. Goes back above. Strong bearish momentum incoming. What are they going to do here? There she goes. 50 ticks in profit and rolling. You have about 80 ticks on that trade. Two 20s, couple points to 208. Let's see if we get that gap fill done. Let's see if we can get it. Has to break below 210. And there she goes. 215s, 208 smashed. All right, I'm not calling any other trades. That's it. That's it for the day. We are done.
Connection
Let's
lost.
go. We don't play with this shit. Okay, don't play yourself. Tap in, show up, and feast. Okay, easy money, easy gains. That's 200 ticks and rolling. 200 and rolling. So if you're trailing, you could put your stop above 212. So yeah, I'd move stops above 212 because we're kind of defying the overall trend here, right? Overall trend was bullish and we're going against the trend. So I'd move my stop right above 212, you know, and get stopped out. You call it a day. Done good. Done pretty good here. Now, once you get a hybrid system will push another trade right about now. And that trade is
Order
also
filled.
up over
Oh, hit his daily goal.
your daily goal. There you go. And he was shocked too. He's like, oh my God, I hit my daily goal, right?
Say it again.
I say you sounded shocked that it was gone. What happened?
No.
Daily goal.
I was shocked. I was like, what happened here? Like, yeah, hit his daily goal.
There you go.
All right. So it definitely works. I just couldn't figure out what happened earlier, but it is what it is. All right. Appreciate it, Ghost. So
Hey, no problem.
I think moving forward, we should be fine.
I don't know if it's my ninja or my VPS just acting up or what. That's kind of strange. Just the next thing. Okay, maybe it's my ninja acting stupid. Go shut it down and bring it back up. Alright, that trade is continuing down. You are up a crap ton. go see. All these accounts are doing. I think she goes back down to fill that 2-minute gap down about 140. See how that goes.
So I turn it back on now to see if other accounts will trigger.
We get choking ticks for breakfast.
You guys like my new picture?
What, your new picture?
Mm-hmm.
Your nude picture, your new picture. Wait, what did she say?
NEW. Oh my
I just had to. I had to do that.
I know. You know what? I like when you're in this mood. Because when you're tired, OMG. When you're tired, you are grumpy. What?
I gotta restart my VPS. My VPS acting up. Let's just restart it. Let's restart this bad boy.
Kobe, you like my new picture?
Bulls versus Bears. Come on, man.
Don't you see the little scorpion in the middle there?
I thought that's what I thought. I thought we're supposed to see some scorpions and.
I was thinking about that. What, you don't think I should keep the Bulls and the Bears?
I mean, that's cool. That's nice.
See, I'm telling you, I'm coming with those merch, okay? Those merch are coming.
Waiting. I can't wait. So on these new VPSs, just an FYI, at about 7:30, always check disconnect, reconnect to your broker. Some funny goes on about 7:30 where they seem either 9:30 or 7:30. Something funny goes on where they seem to lose connectivity to the broker. So just disconnect and reconnect at about 9 o'clock ish before the market opens. I've seen it about 2 times now. It doesn't happen every day, but once in a while.
I did notice there's a slight discrepancy between the bands on the trading view and the bands on.
That's gonna be there because you got some running local and then you got some running some weird cloud environment that you got no control over, right? So you're definitely gonna see that from time to time.
Okay.
All right, let's see if this market wants to trickle down. Again, I'm not calling any trades. I'm kind of done with trades for the day. I'm not calling anything else. But I do see us breaking below 190s. If we take the 190s, we do come back to retest 173, and below 173, we go to fill the gap down at 143. Gap fill 143 leads us into 130s, and then below 130s, we retest Asian high at 116. Let's see if my VPS wants to be back up. looks like PDH is holding, right? 196 seems to be holding.
She goes.
She's fighting. Let's see if this candle makes it. There we go. Trickle, baby.
Jitendra, typically, yes, when you take a new long or short, the previous signal gets invalidated. And that's because if you're on the stream, you don't have access to the additional tools we have, right? That let us know when its signal is invalid or not, right? But typically, yes, you get a yellow triangle for a sell, and you're already in the buy. You just switch up, you change direction. That's the simplest way to do it.
looking around. Some strong buying pressure. So, Chris, did you get back into into a buy?
No, because it didn't close below the bands.
No, you should be in a buy.
Yeah, I put it back to the 55 though.
Yeah, should be in a buy.
No, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna send you a screenshot. What my chart looks like.
Okay, guys, I'll shut the stream down now.
Yeah, I think we should be done for the day with the
Guys,
stream.
we're
No
done.
more call-outs.
You guys make your money before 9:30.
I know.
That's what we do here.
That's how we
Okay,
do it.
Kool-Aid.
Hey, Scorpio Queen. It's hard. I gotta give you a new name.
Okay, whatever.
I'm not gonna mess up and say something else. Consolidation Queen. I'm so used to that.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. She knows when to
Bye,
stay.
guys.
Go check your DM. on
Don't
Telegram.
forget, subscribe now. We're done with the session for today. See you again tomorrow, same time. And it's WBE TV signing out.
Thank you, Kobe.
Pass the ball next time.
Amazing.